Hey YouTube, we're going to make a hand sanding holder for your paper. Holding your sandpaper, we're going to take and cut this in half. And hopefully this will slide down in there with the paper folded over each edge. This here will slide down in there and then hold your paper in there snug. If not, then I'll use a different piece of thing or a different piece of tubing that will fit more snug. But let's get to it so we get this done, because I got to start sanding some other stuff that I got done. Let's get to it. Alright, now we're going to file the corners off, and then we're going to file our edges down so they're not so sharp and don't cut you. So now we got all the corners filed down. They ain't sharp so we don't cut ourselves and we don't want to tear the paper. Alright, now we're going to take this like this. This is going to sit in like that. So then we can hold our sandpaper. Let's get a piece and see what happens. If it works, then we got to hand sand all this down and make it perfectly flat by putting it on sandpaper and spin it like this. But let's go check piece of sandpaper, see if this piece is even going to work at all. Alright, let's take and put our sandpaper in there. Hold down that side. We'll tear it off right here. This is just a test one anyways. Seems to fit in there pretty snug. So now we gotta sand this down to make it really flat, and then we can go ahead and try it out and see what happens. Alright, I'll be back when I get a little closer, guys, so you guys ain't gotta sit here and watch me sand the whole time. Be back. Alright, we're getting there, guys. Slowly but surely. I think that should be good enough. Let's go ahead and give it a try, and then we'll call it there if it's good. Alright, got my sandpaper stuck in there. Heck yeah. That works a lot better than what I was using, just this old block here. Now I got this to use. It's a lot better. Thanks guys for coming along. Sub. More. Heck, this thing's, we'll just do it this way. This thing here was what I was using. Just holding the sandpaper wrapped around it like this. I mean, but it was a little bit longer. I was just doing that there. But now, I got this here. It's gonna be a heck of a lot better. Alright, well thanks guys. This here's gonna make life a lot easier. It ain't that hard to do. If you need one, just make one. This is part of a broom handle. It seemed like it would just flex some so it would fit in there. And it seems to work just fine, so. Alright, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I will be having some more videos coming soon. I've got like 20 knives I'm making. I got that machete I've been sharing pictures on. And the one that I was just sanding on. And a bunch of hunting knives. Just really busy right now. In between working this here. Can't wait until work slows down so I can start making more videos again. But anyways, thanks guys. Like, share, subscribe. Make one and it'll make your life a lot easier. Thanks guys. See you next time.